Alright guys, this is going to be a real quick video on how to change the charging port in a ZTE Warp 7. You're going to remove the battery, and there's the model number on this phone. It's an N9519. First thing you want to do is you're going to start taking out all the screws, and there's a SIM card up here in the top. We want to go ahead and take that out as well. But make sure you remove every single screw. There's about 11 of them. On some of them there's 12, but usually there's 11 screws on the back. Once you removed all those screws, down there at the bottom there's a little cover. Take that off, and there's 2 more screws that are holding in the charging port. Once you do that, go ahead and take your pry tool or your screwdriver and start separating the frame from the screen. In the middle there's a connection that's kind of a pain, so I just left it stuck together. From here you should be able to access the 2 cables that we need to disconnect. One is in the very middle, it's a larger part, and then the other one is there on the left side. It's just a little cable, but just be very careful when disconnecting them. You want to make sure that you don't damage them in any way, or you're going to have to end up replacing that as well. But the one cable at the top connects to your motherboard, and the other cable connects to like your internet and messaging. Put your new charging port in. We're going to snap that down. We're going to snap the motherboard cable and then the internet cable there on the side. Once you do that, we're going to snap the frame back on, and then we're going to start putting in our screws. Put in your 2 screws at the bottom, and then your remaining screws, put back in your SIM card, your battery, the back cover, and that should be it. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's a quick video, but I appreciate it.